Hi everyone! Happy New Year and welcome back from winter break. Have you seen the Edmund Staff Workspace lately? It's continually being improved and has a ton of great information for you to explore. That's a good thing, because the old staff portal will officially retire on January 14th. All our departments have been adding content. You can find information on what various departments do by clicking on Human Resources, Student Learning, Student Services, or Support. There are also these cool buttons that will take you to places visited frequently. Also, scrolling down, there are more quick links, all for getting you to what you're looking for fast. Still can't find what you're looking for? Please be sure to contact Technology if you need assistance finding information or resources on the Staff Workspace. Thank you so much for watching, and happy 2020! Goodbye!